When it comes to managing teams and keeping everyone motivated, the right performance tool can make a world of difference. Two of the top contenders in this space are Lattice and 15.5. Both help businesses support employee growth, track performance, and build stronger teams. But they approach that goal in different ways. Let's talk about which one might be the better fit for your workplace. Lattice is designed to be a full performance management platform. It covers everything from goal setting and reviews to feedback and employee engagement. One of its biggest strengths is how it connects all these areas together. For example, managers can align individual goals with company objectives, track progress, and then tie that into performance reviews. The platform feels organized and strategic. It gives you a clear picture of how your team is performing and what areas need support. Lattice also shines in customization. You can tailor review cycles, feedback templates, and even how goals are structured to match your company's culture. Its user interface feels modern and easy to navigate. Managers appreciate the built-in analytics, which help identify trends like engagement dips or skill gaps. Employees, on the other hand, often enjoy the transparency it brings to their growth conversations. Now let's look at 15.5. This platform takes a slightly different approach. It focuses on continuous feedback, recognition, and emotional check-ins. Instead of centering on performance reviews first, it starts with weekly reflections. Employees answer quick questions like what went well this week, what challenges they faced, or how they're feeling about their workload. That feedback goes directly to their managers, keeping communication consistent and personal. 15.5 also includes features like pulse surveys, goal tracking, and coaching tools. It feels more people-first than data-first. The emphasis is on building trust and improving team morale through regular connection. The name comes from the idea that employees spend 15 minutes writing updates, and managers spend 5 minutes reviewing them. That rhythm helps create accountability without overwhelming either side. In simple terms, Lattice is the powerhouse for structure and long-term strategy. 15.5 is the heart-centered tool for communication and culture. Both platforms help teams grow, but they do it in different ways. If you want data, alignment, and big-picture insights, go with Lattice. If you want consistent check-ins, happier employees, and stronger one-on-one relationships, go with 15.5. Either way, both tools can transform how your team communicates, grows, and succeeds. It just depends on whether your company leads with metrics or with mindset.